Hello and welcome to a brief overview of the Business Insights mobile application for business owners and executives. This app is available on iOS and Android. Business Insights is a free mobile application for Orderry users who want to manage their business from a smartphone effectively. Business owners and executives can quickly view critical metrics and contact employees via the app. The Business Insights app also offers two-factor authentication to provide more account protection. How to install the Business Insights app? Before installing the app, check the Access to the Business Insights application checkbox in the employee's profile settings of the web version. Next, find the application on the App Store or Google Play, or click a button in the employee's profile to download it. How to sign into Business Insights? To sign into the mobile application, use your Orderry account's login and password and click the Sign In button. Alternatively, you can scan a QR code from the employee's profile. You can also enable Touch It or Face ID for further quick authorization. Features of the Business Insights mobile application. First section is Report. This section displays the executive's report for a particular day. In the upper right corner, you can select a date and view the report for any other day, week, month, or custom period. If you choose the default value, a day, week, or month, you can use the swipe to quickly move to the previous or next day, week, or month. You can filter by location or work order type in the upper left corner. Now let's take a closer look at the metrics. Created displays the number of created work orders. Works of displays the total amount of labors added. Closed displays the number of closed work orders. These are work orders that were transferred to the closed and dropped off status groups. Refunds displays the total amount of returns to clients on work orders and sales. Revenue displays the total amount of payments by work orders and sales. Profit displays the total amount of profit on work orders and sales. Each metric is detailed, so let's take a closer look. Created orders. Besides the number of created work orders, you will see their total amount here. Data is taken from the estimated price field. Completed works displays the number of added services and their total amount. Below is information about each specialist and each location if there is more than one. Closed orders. Besides the number of closed work orders, their total amount is displayed. Sold products shows the number of items sold and the total amount. Cash flow shows the total cash inflow and outflow on work orders and sales. Profit shows the total amount of profit. Below, you'll see the profit by work orders, sales, and each location if you have more than one. The next section is Cashboxes. Here you can see the total amount and the amount in each cash box. You can set a filter by cash box in the upper right corner. Please note that company cash boxes are displayed separately, and location cash boxes are displayed under the name of each location. In the Employees section, you can find a list of all employees of your company. Under each employee, you can see the last login's date, time, and IP address. This information can help you reduce employee lateness. If you have questions while viewing the report, you can immediately text or call an employee. The phone number is taken from the employee's profile. In the Settings section, you can customize the employee's profile, for example, add or remove some fields. The next section is Reviews. This section displays customer reviews that were collected via Orderry. You will see the rating with a comment, the location, the customer's name, and the work order number for which the review was left. Clicking on the work order number will automatically take you to the Orderry Work Orders mobile app, where you can open this work order for more details. Reviews can be filtered by location and period. In the Help Center, you can learn more about setting up such reviews and our recommendations for handling customer reviews. We will make a detailed video on this feature soon. And the last section is Settings. In the Security section, you can enable or disable Touch ID or Face ID for quick authorization when logging in. In the Appearance section, you can customize the display of scents. Next, for employees, you can configure what data will be displayed on the card and change the application's language. In the Support section, you can open the Help Center, contact support, or report a bug. Below, you can rate the app and view the privacy policy. There is also a button to log out of your account below. After installing the application, you can enable two-factor authentication when logging into your Orderry account via the web version. To enable it, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Install the Business Insights mobile application. Step 2. Ensure the application is allowed to send notifications. You can check this access in the settings of your smartphone. Step 3. In the web version, click on the avatar and navigate to the security page. Click the Activate button, select the Business Insights app, and click the Confirm button. Next, you will receive a push notification on your smartphone. Step 4. Click on the notification and confirm that the app has enabled two-factor authentication. Done. When you try to log into your Orderry account in the web version, you need to confirm this action in the Business Insights mobile application. This will protect the data that only you, as a business owner, can access. You can also grant access to this mobile application to individual employees, such as managers or admins. To do this, enable access to the app in the profiles of such employees. After that, they can install and sign in to the application. What do you think of this app? Is there anything you miss in the features? Leave your feedback in the comments.